Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today we're learning do versus make.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab a coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point. If you ever said do a mistake or make homework, this episode will fix that fast.
Because do and make feel similar, but native speakers use them in very different patterns.
Here is the simple core idea. Make is often about creating, producing, building, or causing a result.
Do is often about actions, tasks, routines, work, and activities.
So make is like create a thing or create a result.
And do is like perform an action or complete a task.
You make a plan, you make a decision, you make a mistake.
You do homework, you do the dishes, you do exercise, you do a test.
Notice something important. The best way to learn this is not memorizing one rule.
It is learning the common collocations, the common word pairs that natives always use.
Because you do not say do a decision, even if it sounds logical.
You say make a decision. It is just the natural pair.
And you do not say make the dishes, even if you are creating a clean kitchen.
You say do the dishes. That is the natural pair.
Today, we will give you the highest frequency pairs first. Then we will put them into a real conversation between two friends.
Then we will do a drill that you can copy out loud.
And by the end, you will feel the difference naturally.
Quick warm-up. I say the phrase, you tell me if it uses do or make.
Easy. A mistake.
Make a mistake.
Homework.
Do homework.
A phone call.
Make a phone call.
The laundry.
Do the laundry.
Great. Now let's learn the strongest make patterns first, because those are the ones learners confuse the most.
Let's do make first. Make often connects to results, creation, and communication.
Here are the top make collocations you need.
Make a mistake.
Everyone makes mistakes. That is normal.
Make a decision.
I need to make a decision today.
Make a plan.
Let's make a plan for the weekend.
Make an effort.
If you want progress, you need to make an effort.
Make progress.
You are making progress even if it feels slow.
Make money.
People want to make money, but they also want balance.
Make a promise.
Don't make a promise you cannot keep.
Make a reservation.
We should make a reservation for dinner.
Make an appointment.
I need to make an appointment with my doctor.
Make a phone call.
I'll make a phone call and confirm the time.
Make a suggestion.
Can I make a suggestion?
Make a complaint.
He made a complaint about the service.
Make a change.
I want to make a change in my routine. Notice the pattern. Many make phrases are about creating an outcome.
A decision, a plan, progress, money, a change, an effort. These are results.
Another pattern is communication and social actions.
A phone call, a reservation, an appointment, a suggestion, a complaint.
And then there are a few very daily life ones.
Make breakfast, make dinner, make coffee, make tea.
Some learners ask, why is it make coffee and not do coffee?
Because you are creating the drink. The result is the coffee.
Great. Now that you have the make side, we build the do side.
Do is huge in daily routines, tasks, and work.
Now, do. Do is about actions, tasks, work, and responsibilities.
Here are the top do collocations you need.
Do homework.
I need to do homework tonight.
Do the dishes.
I'll do the dishes after dinner.
Do the laundry.
I have to do the laundry today.
Do the cleaning.
We should do some cleaning this weekend.
Do exercise.
I try to do exercise every day.
Many people also say do some exercise.
Both sound natural.
Do a workout is also common.
Yes, do a workout sounds very modern.
Do a test.
I have to do a test tomorrow.
Do research.
I did some research before buying it.
Do a job.
He does a great job.
That one is very common in compliments. Do business.
They do business internationally.
Do your best.
Just do your best. That is enough.
Do nothing.
Sometimes the best plan is to do nothing.
True.
Now a very common one that learners miss. Do someone a favor.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure, no problem.
Another common one is do your hair and do your makeup.
That means get it ready, style it, prepare it.
That confuses learners because it looks like creation, but it is a routine action.
So the key is not a perfect logic rule.
The key is learning the natural pairs.
Great, now we will compare a few pairs that create the most mistakes, and we will fix them clearly.
Let's fix the top mistakes fast. We will say the wrong sentence, then the correct one. Repeat the correct one out loud.
Wrong. I did a mistake.
Correct. I made a mistake.
Wrong. I made my homework.
Correct. I did my homework.
Wrong. I did a decision.
Correct. I made a decision.
Wrong. I made the dishes.
Correct. I did the dishes.
Wrong. I did a plan.
Correct. I made a plan.
Wrong. I made an exam.
Correct. I did an exam or I took an exam.
In American English, take an exam is extremely common.
Yes, do an exam is also used in some contexts, especially in British English, but take is very common in everyday speech.
Wrong. I did progress.
Correct. I made progress.
Wrong. I made exercise.
Correct. I did exercise or I did a workout.
Great, now let's do a quick meaning difference. Make can also mean cause.
Like make someone happy, make someone angry, make someone feel safe.
Or make it better, make it worse. And do can also be used to replace a verb when the action is clear.
Like I will do it.
Exactly. Do it means perform the action.
But for learners, the fastest path is still collocations.
Learn the common pairs, then you sound natural immediately.
Now we will put all of this in a real conversation between two friends. This is where it becomes easy and memorable.
Conversation time. Two friends planning the week and talking about routines.
Listen for do and make and notice how natural it feels.
Hey Mia, how was your day?
Busy. I had to do a lot of things.
Same. Did you do your homework for your English class?
I did some of it, but not all.
Honest.
I also need to do the laundry tonight.
I need to do the dishes. We should trade.
No, thank you.
I made a plan to wake up earlier this week.
That sounds like a good plan.
But I made a mistake on day one. I stayed up too late.
Classic.
I need to make an effort to sleep earlier.
That is a perfect sentence. Make an effort.
Thanks. I'm trying.
By the way, can I make a suggestion?
Sure.
Make a simple plan, just one small habit.
That is smart.
Also, I need to make a phone call later.
About what?
I want to make an appointment.
Nice. That is another good make phrase.
What about you?
I did some research before buying new headphones.
Great. Do research. Very natural.
And I did a workout this morning.
Look at you making progress.
I hope so.
This is why do and make are so useful.
You use them every day. Homework, dishes, laundry, research, workout, plan, mistake, effort, appointment.
Great. Now we do a drill. Fast, clear, and repeatable.
This will lock it in.
Drill time. We say the noun phrase, you choose do or make.
Then we give a full sentence you can copy.
A mistake.
Make a mistake. I made a mistake today.
A decision.
Make a decision. I need to make a decision.
A plan.
Make a plan. Let's make a plan.
Progress.
Make progress. You are making progress.
Homework.
Do homework. I need to do homework.
The dishes.
Do the dishes. I'll do the dishes.
The laundry.
Do the laundry. I have to do the laundry.
Exercise.
Do exercise. I should do some exercise.
A phone call.
Make a phone call. I'll make a phone call later.
A reservation.
Make a reservation. Let's make a reservation.
An appointment.
Make an appointment. I need to make an appointment.
Research.
Do research. I did some research.
Your best.
Do your best. Just do your best.
Now we add a few high-frequency ones that many learners miss.
Ready.
Money,
Make money. He wants to make money.
a promise,
Make a promise. Don't make a promise you can't keep.
a complaint,
Make a complaint. He made a complaint.
a favor.
Do a favor. Can you do me a favor?
Great. Now we do tricky sentence practice and show you a simple rule to decide fast.
Let's build a fast decision method for do versus make.
It is not perfect, but it works for most situations.
Ask yourself, am I talking about a task, routine, or activity?
If yes, do is often correct.
Do homework, do the dishes, do the laundry, do exercise, do research.
Those are all tasks and activities.
Now ask, am I talking about creating or producing a result?
If yes, make is often correct.
Make a plan, make a decision, make a mistake, make progress, make money.
Those are outcomes and results.
Now, communication outcomes.
Make a phone call, make a reservation, make an appointment, make a suggestion.
Those are also results. You create the call, you create the appointment.
Now, let's do quick sentence choices. We say a sentence and you choose do or make.
Then we say the correct answer.
I need to, my homework.
Do my homework.
I need to, a decision.
Make a decision.
A mistake yesterday.
Made a mistake.
The dishes after dinner.
Did the dishes.
I want to, progress this month.
Make progress.
I want to, some exercise this week.
Do some exercise.
Great! Now a special note. Sometimes English has fixed phrases that you just learn.
Like do your hair and do your makeup.
And sometimes both are possible, but the meaning changes.
Like make a cake versus do a cake. Make a cake is correct. Do a cake is not natural.
But do a presentation is natural, and make a presentation is also possible in some contexts, but do is common in speaking.
So the best strategy is learn the top pairs first, then expand slowly.
Now, let's add a short story to make it memorable and fun. Mini story. Listen for do and make. Then we break it down.
Yesterday, I made a plan to be productive.
Great start.
I woke up early and did some exercise.
Nice.
Then I did my homework and did some research for a project.
Very productive.
Then I made a phone call and made an appointment.
Two strong make phrases.
After that, I made a mistake.
Of course.
I forgot to do the laundry.
That is real life.
Exactly. In the evening, I did the dishes and did some cleaning.
Then you probably felt like you did a lot.
Yes, I did a lot.
And did you make progress?
I think I made progress. Maybe not huge progress, but some progress.
That is a perfect use of do and make, and it shows the difference. Do is actions and tasks, make is results and outcomes.
Great. Now we will add some common questions so you can use this in daily speaking.
Questions help you bring this into conversation.
Let's practice common questions with do and make.
These are very practical. Did you do your homework?
Have you done your homework yet?
Do you do exercise every week?
How often do you do exercise?
Did you do the dishes?
Can you do the dishes tonight?
Can you do me a favor?
Could you do me a favor?
Now make questions.
Did you make a decision?
Have you made a decision yet?
Can we make a plan?
Should we make a reservation?
Did you make a mistake?
Everyone makes mistakes.
Did you make progress this week?
Yes, I made progress.
Now, a very common real-life question.
Do you make coffee at home or do you buy coffee?
You make coffee because you create it.
You buy coffee because you purchase it.
And you drink coffee because you consume it.
3 verbs for 1 habit.
English loves options.
Great. Now let's do a final recap and make it easy to remember.
Then we close with our standard ending.
Final recap. Use do for tasks, routines, work, and activities.
Do homework. Do the dishes. Do the laundry. Do exercise. Do research. Do your best.
Do someone a favor.
Use make for creation, results, and outcomes.
Make a plan. Make a decision. Make a mistake. Make progress. Make money. Make an effort. Make a promise.
Use make for many communication actions too.
Make a phone call. Make an appointment. Make a reservation. Make a suggestion. Make a complaint.
The fastest way to learn is to memorize the top pairs and practice them in sentences.
Not isolated words, full sentences.
Here is your simple practice challenge.
Choose 5 make phrases and 5 do phrases.
Then write one sentence for each one.
Then say them out loud.
And try to use at least one in a real conversation this week.
If you do that, you will stop guessing and start speaking naturally.
And you will notice these phrases everywhere, in videos, in books, and in real conversations.
All right, that's it for today.
Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video.
Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment, what's your biggest difficulty in English right now, and what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.